Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit Big Picture mode on Steam. If you've launched Steam's Big Picture mode for a couch-friendly, controller-first experience and now want to get back to the standard desktop interface, there are two straightforward ways to do it. I'll walk you through both, explain what to expect, and share a few quick tips so it goes smoothly. First, the fastest method uses a simple keyboard shortcut. While you're in Big Picture mode, press Alt and Enter at the same time. This instantly toggles you out of Big Picture mode and returns you to normal Steam. This works the same way on Windows, Linux, and Mac, so you don't have to dig through menus or switch input devices. It's especially handy if you're at a desk or you have a keyboard connected to your living room setup. If you press the keys and nothing changes, it usually means another window is active in front of Steam. Once Steam is the active app, the shortcut will work and you'll see the classic Steam window again. If you'd rather use the on-screen interface, or you don't have a keyboard within reach, there's an easy menu option inside Big Picture mode. Press Escape to open the menu overlay. This brings up the main Big Picture options without leaving your current screen. From there, move to the Power section and choose Exit Big Picture mode. Confirm if prompted, and you'll be taken back to the standard Steam interface. You can navigate these options with your mouse, arrow keys, or any controller that's already paired. The menu is designed to be clear and big, so even from a couch you can find power and exit quickly. Both methods do the same thing, they close the Big Picture shell and reveal the normal Steam window you're used to, with your library, store, and downloads in the usual layout. Use the keyboard shortcut when you want to switch instantly, and use the menu route when you're already navigating with a controller or prefer on-screen prompts. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.